There's a moment after you've made a first contact, a first initial conversation start with somebody, where you're at a decision point. I call that the why in the road. And it's in the canon. And the why in the road is that moment after you've started a conversation, you're in line somewhere, you're having an interaction of some sort, and you think, do I want to keep this going or do I want to move on? That's the why in the road. When you find yourself in those moments, give yourself the grace to say, do I want this to go somewhere? And then keep going. Or do I want to say, this is great as it was, and I'm going to keep moving? All the steps for fundamental connection, the elements of connectivity as I call them, are in the canon and outlined. The why in the road is a really important one because in this day and age, we think we need to stay friends with everybody, that we have to reciprocate all the time. No, don't put that pressure on yourself. Make sure that you are thoughtful to where a connection can go, a first contact, a first move, as it's called, before you decide to put any pressure on yourself, before you decide where you want to go. And then once you reach that why in the road, make the decision of saying, I like it, I'm going to keep going, or that was fine, and I'm going to move on. Remember, it's a great day to connect.